In the world of computer accessories, the keyboard is really important. When it comes to being accurate, lasting a long time, and feeling nice when you press the keys, many people prefer mechanical keyboards. These keyboards have been around for a few years now and are a favorite for both gamers and people who type a lot. Mechanical keyboards started gaining popularity when they first came out, fixing the problems with regular keyboards. As time went on, they got even better, offering different features like customizable lights and programmable keys to meet the needs of all kinds of users. In this video, I'll talk about the top 5 mechanical keyboards in 2024. Why do people like mechanical keyboards? Well, unlike other keyboards, they have separate switches for each key, giving you a special feeling when you press them and making them more durable. That's why many people choose them for a reliable and comfortable typing experience. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Let's dive into the world of mechanical keyboards. Number 5. Kran K5 Pro, my choice for best for typing comfort. It's a wireless mechanical keyboard with an ultra-slim design, making it easy to master any keys or macros. The low-profile spherical angle keycaps provide a comfortable typing experience for both Windows and Mac OS users. What sets it apart is the QMK and VIA support, allowing you to remap any key or create custom commands effortlessly. It's wireless with Bluetooth 5.1, connecting seamlessly to up to 3 devices for multitasking. Plus, it has a wired mode via USB Type-C. One standout feature is the hot-swappable support for Gateron low-profile MX switches, enhancing typing reliability without soldering. The unique Mac layout, compatible with Windows, makes it suitable for all devices, with extra keycaps included. Notably, this is 31% slimmer than conventional switches, optimizing finger travel. Constructed with a streamlined aluminum frame, it delivers unmatched typing comfort. Number 4. SteelSeries USB Apex 5. It is best for customization. This keyboard boasts hybrid mechanical gaming switches, combining the tactile click of a blue mechanical switch with the smoothness of a membrane. Its OLED smart display allows for easy customization with GIFs, game info, and even Discord messages. Plus, it works seamlessly across Windows, Mac OS X, Xbox, and PlayStation with just a USB port required. The keyboard's aircraft-grade aluminum alloy frame ensures unbreakable durability and sturdiness, while the dynamic per-key RGB illumination offers gorgeous color schemes and reactive effects. A standout feature is the premium magnetic wrist rest, providing full palm support and comfort during those intense gaming sessions. This SteelSeries keyboard is the perfect blend of functionality and style. Number 3. Razer Black Widow V4 Axe. I recommend this for its best gaming features. It's compatible with laptops and PCs, featuring 61 keys with chroma RGB backlighting. The green mechanical clicky switches provide precise inputs with tactile feedback. The 6 dedicated macro keys allow you to customize commands easily. The multifunction roller and secondary media keys provide convenient control over playback and settings. Enjoy the chroma RGB per-key lighting with over 16.8 million colors and effects. The keyboard's construction includes double-shot ABS keycaps for durability, ensuring labels never wear off. Plus, the improved keyboard acoustics with special foam and lubricated stabilizers minimize noise for a satisfying typing experience. In a sleek Black Widow V4X style, crafted from acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, this Razer keyboard delivers a gaming edge. Number 2. Kran K5 Looking for the best reliable mechanical keyboard? Consider this. It's compatible with laptops and PCs, offering a USB connection for easy setup. The keyboard boasts a mechanical design with 104 RGB backlit keys in AUS layout, providing brilliant color illumination with 11 unique backlights. The customizable display keys and hot swappable feature enhance its appeal, catering to video editing, everyday use, education, programming, gaming, and business needs. The ABS keycaps ensure clear backlight, making it ideal for various tasks, from late-night work to immersive gaming. What sets it apart is its full programmability and high configurability, allowing you to design your own keys, light effects, and macros. The hot-swappable linear red switch, requiring less force, adds to its gaming prowess, complemented by full keys anti-ghosting. Worry about after-sales service? Redragon offers a 24-month warranty and professional customer support. Have a problem? Contact them 24/7 for assistance. Dive into a seamless typing and gaming experience with this Redragon. Number 1. Logitech G815. And my top choice for best overall mechanical keyboard. It's a wired keyboard with USB-A connectivity, making it compatible with various devices, including gaming consoles. The keyboard boasts LightSync technology, offering customizable RGB lighting with around 16.8 million colors through Logitech G Hub software. What sets it apart are the low-profile mechanical switches, delivering the performance of a mechanical switch at half the height. This keyboard's design is both sleek and robust, constructed with aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, now available in striking white and black color options. For gamers, the 5 dedicated G keys allow customization with macros and commands through Logitech G Hub. Plus, the keyboard features dedicated media controls, including a precision-engineered volume wheel, providing easy and convenient control over your multimedia. In a nutshell, this is a versatile and visually appealing mechanical keyboard that ticks all the right boxes for both everyday use and gaming. Here we've come to the end of our journey through the best mechanical keyboards of 2024. Whether you're a gaming enthusiast or a professional typist, we covered a variety of options to suit your needs. To grab the latest prices and explore these keyboards further, check out the links in the description. If our recommendations have been helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share with your fellow tech enthusiasts, and hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all of our latest content, tips, and reviews. Happy typing!